In a place where space is freedom and privacy is luxury, a rare opportunity rises. This isn't just another home. It's a retreat, a statement, a lifestyle. Behind every detail, precision. Behind every space, intention. Designed for those who want more than a house. They want presence, serene, elevated, immaculate. An oversweeping land that feels endless, where every sunrise comes with peace, and every sunset leaves the world behind. This is where moments become memories, and life expands. A place built to inspire, a lifestyle built to live. Be the one who calls it home.